Hello, welcome everybody. It's KB here, and today I'm doing a webcam tutorial. So you can see my huge face here. Okay, I'm sorry about that. You need to see my face. But today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your webcam look 100 times better, at least like the best quality that you can get out of your webcam. If your webcam is trash, I can't do anything about it. But there are settings that can be changed in webcam settings, which makes your webcam look better. So yeah, let's begin. I'm going to show you guys in the OBS Studio. That's what most people use for gaming, streaming, recording, and everything. But if you are one of those people who don't use OBS, you can still do it. All you need to do is you need to know how to access the webcam settings. There will be a webcam settings in wherever you use webcam. Okay, you just go to the webcam settings and you'll be good. Okay, in OBS it's simple. Right click on the webcam that you have added, go to properties, and after that configure video. So if you're using any other program, there will also be a option just like this, configure video or configure webcam settings or something like that. So click on it and it will actually, okay, let me put that side, open this webcam properties. And in Windows, this is a universal webcam properties. This is what you will get, okay, in Windows. So if you have installed any webcam softwares, then that software might replace the webcam settings. So this tutorial will still work. You just need to make sure that change the exact settings that I'm changing in here. There will be a similar settings even if you're using a webcam driver or anything like that. Okay, so now let's begin. And by the way, I'm using a C920, Logitech C920. It's okay webcam. Okay, and this is what it looks like by default. Almost all the webcams default look are terrible. Okay, so this is what I do to make my webcam look a little bit better, or maybe 100 times better. Okay, who knows? Okay, so just to do the comparison later, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the snipping tool and I'm gonna save this moment. Okay, wait, I need to say cheese. Oh, okay, whatever, man. I'm just gonna save it. Okay, it won't let me say cheese. Okay, I'm gonna save this. And I'm gonna save this file to here. Okay, just we can do the comparison later. All right, so snipping tool done, thank you. Now we're gonna play with the settings. First of all, video prop AMP. Inside here we have brightness, contrast, saturation, and all that. First of all, we need to turn down the auto balance. All right, and you need to adjust the auto balance depending on your skin color. Okay, my skin color is darkish. Okay, I'm a little bit dark, reddish, something like that. So 4,000 to 5,000 is like my okay. That's what it's like. You want to get the warm skin tone or warm feeling in your video, or cold. If you go down, it will give you cool. If you go up, it will give you warm feeling. Okay, so you wanna, depending on your situation or depending on the video type you wanna have, you know, adjust this depending on your skin color and depending on what feeling you wanna get. So I'm gonna just keep it to there. And here we have the biggest setting that needs to be turned off always. That is backlight comp. Just notice this. I'm gonna turn this off. Immediately the white, everything was like washed and there was too much white. That white will be gone and you can see webcam is looking better. All right, and gain, depending on how much light you're getting in your face, okay, getting in your webcam, you can boost this. So I'm gonna boost all the way to 55, which is still looking good. Okay, and we come back to here later. Now we're going to go to the camera control. All right, and in here, zoom, focus, I had to zoom because there is a extra space here. This is what I changed before making this video. I don't want to show you my fan over there. Okay, there is a fan over there, so I need to cut out this. So don't play with the zoom, tilt, pan, or anything like that. You don't have to play with it, but turn off the autofocus. There will be autofocus turned on, turn it off. Exposure, turn it off. And depending on your light, how much light you're getting, turn this up or down. If you turn it up, it will gonna make your webcam brighter. All right. If you turn it down, it's gonna make darker. Okay. Lower the exposure, better the quality is actually. Okay. If your exposure settings is low, you'll get better quality, better FPS and everything. So I set this to 5, always 5. Because this is best what I can get, all right? And you need to turn this off, low light thingy, okay? Turn this off, apply, all right? You don't notice anything yet. When I do the versus comparison, I have saved a photo for that, okay? Just wait, okay? We are done here. We don't need to do anything. Just make sure that autofocus is turned off. Exposure is like now 5 or -6 or -5 or even -4 depending on the light source. Okay, this is for me -5 is the best. All right, and we go back to the video settings again, and in here we can change brightness, contrast, okay, depending on the light again. Okay, but I don't play with the brightness or contrast because I like darkish theme in my webcam. Okay, it's like okay for me. Okay, contrast depending on how much or what you're feeling. Okay, this is like color correction type of thingy. Okay, if you want to play, you can play. 128 is default. Okay, so this is where I change the most of the thing. This is the one, saturation and sharpness. Okay, I'm gonna make it default again. Saturation, I go around 155 to 160, just like that, which will boost my all over color, like my skin tone, my clothes and everything. It will boost the color. If there are like, you don't see many colors in your face or colors are good, then you can change this. So I always go like 155, which makes me even more like reddish, and I think this is what I look like in real life, right? And sharpness, I go like 155 to 160. Don't go too sharp. It's gonna make your grainy thingy. All right. So go like 155 to 160. I'm gonna leave it to 155. Now it's looking sharp, cool. Okay, and saturation is depending on your color. Like if you're not getting good colors, just boost it up a little bit. Where you feel it's okay, leave it there. Okay, 155 is my default. And white balance is actually, I like a warm color in my video, so I go 5000 almost every time. Sometime I leave it to like wherever it is. Okay, but I go 5000 like that, and gain full, and make sure that black backlight composition is turned off, otherwise it's gonna make something like this. Okay, it's turned off, and apply, and I'm gonna do the comparison. Okay. We are done. Yeah, we are done. Okay, I'm gonna do the comparison. I'm gonna capture this and boom, bam. Okay, I'm gonna save it. Okay, and I'm gonna open. You don't need to see my face again anymore, actually. Okay, I'm gonna go to the documents. This is where I have. Okay, look at this. Isn't it amazing? Just look at it. Okay, look at it, the difference it makes. Okay, I know my webcam isn't great, but the improvement you can see by yourself. Okay, the improvement is so much better. Okay, we have improved so much, like lighting. Okay, like you can see before this in default settings, you can see we have lights all over the place, and in here you can see everything is so good, so good. All right, so yeah, hope this was helpful for you guys. Yeah, this is my secret to make my webcam look a little bit better. I think it's 100 times better for me. Look at this, the comparison you can see by yourself. It's so much better. All right. Yeah, I'm tired. That's it. I forgot that you can't see me in webcam today because I'm using this here. All right. I was still talking to my webcam. So, yeah, this is it. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, leave your questions in the comments. And yeah, that's it. Just in case if you don't have a OBS, you want to make your webcam look better, you can't find the webcam settings. All right. What you can do is open the OBS, add webcam to your OBS, click on plus icon and click on video capture device. And after that, okay. And after that, select your webcam. This is my webcam. And after that, you can change these settings, and these settings will be applied to all the other applications too. Yes, as long as you don't change the webcam settings. You change the webcam settings here, it will be applied to entire system. Yeah, because the webcam setting we accessed was universal webcam settings, the default Windows webcam settings properties. Okay, so that's another tip for you guys. Let's go. Okay, that's it. I will put link in the description for the OBS Studio, just in case if you don't have, you can go there and download it and have fun. Yeah, have fun with your better looking webcam. Yeah, I'm sure that after watching this video, your webcam is looking very good. That's it. That's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.